I'm Ankita. Today, let us understand what is the place of supply of goods in GST. Under GST, the supply is a fundamental concept and all the provisions of GST revolve around it. Place of supply under GST is an important factor as it defines whether the transaction will be counted as intrastate or interstate, and accordingly, the chargeability of tax, that is, levy of SGST, CGST or IGST will be determined. While determining the levy of taxes based on place of supply, two things are considered, namely location of supplier, which is the registered place of business of the supplier, place of supply, which is the registered place of the business of the recipient. Place of supply of goods and services have been given in separate provisions. Place of supply of goods is determined through the following rules. Where the supply involves the movement of goods, the place of supply shall be determined by the location of goods at the time of final delivery. If the supply involves the movement of goods on the direction of a third party, whether as an agent or otherwise, the place of supply shall be the principal place of business of such third party, irrespective of the place of delivery of goods. Where the supply does not involve any movement of goods, then place of supply shall be the location of such goods at the time of final delivery. If the supply includes installation of goods at site, then place of supply shall be the place of such installation. Where the goods are being supplied on board a vehicle, vessel, aircraft or a train, that is on board a conveyance, then place of supply shall be the first location at which the goods are boarded. In any other case not covered above, place of supply will be determined further as per the recommendations from the GST Council. We hope you found this useful. For more information on such topics, please visit hrblock.in.